Every hour, thousands of ripe mangoes arrive at the factory, ready for transformation. The first critical step is crushing, where machines separate the juicy pulp from tough seeds with precision. The pulp undergoes rigorous filtering, smoothing out fibers to create a silky liquid consistency. Cans are then filled with this fresh pulp and sealed airtight, preserving flavor and freshness for consumers. Upon arrival, fresh mangoes are carefully washed to remove dirt, pesticides, and impurities. Skilled workers oversee peeling machines, ensuring mango skins are removed cleanly without wasting fruit. After peeling, mangoes are expertly cut into uniform pieces, setting the stage for efficient pulp extraction. But here's the surprising twist. One small error in cutting can spoil the entire batch's quality. The mango pieces are crushed and mashed thoroughly, releasing the rich, golden pulp beneath the skin. Filtering follows, removing any remaining fibers or seeds to yield a perfectly smooth mango liquid. Workers constantly monitor quality during filtering, adjusting parameters to maintain consistency and taste. Pasteurization heats the pulp just enough to kill harmful bacteria without sacrificing natural flavor. One tiny slip in temperature control could compromise freshness and safety, risking the whole batch. Once pasteurized, the pulp is rapidly cooled to preserve its vibrant color and sweet aroma. This stage nearly caused a factory shutdown once, highlighting the delicate balance in processing. Cooled pulp moves swiftly to the canning line, where automated machines fill and seal each container. Here's another twist. Workers double-check seals to prevent leaks and contamination during shipment. Now sealed, the canned mango pulp is packed and prepared for distribution worldwide, reaching countless kitchens. Every shift in this factory balances efficiency with precision, because one mistake can mean disaster. This entire cycle repeats millions of times daily, turning raw fruit into a pantry staple. In our next episode, we'll explore a different kind of pulp, the paper mill's creation, showcasing another industrial marvel. And so, the journey